little bit up there.
These shoes are gonna probably flop off.
It's okay, I'll get them if they fall off.
Tramp my foot. This tramp, this foot's tramp.
Good.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay.
Ready, Ange?
2.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Mhm.
1, 2.
Here we go. Reach.
Alright, so I'm gonna get my right arm. Not the left track. Alright. Okay. Let go of the left. Okay. Perfect. We should have shaved your legs today.
You got the nice shorts on for me.
Yeah.
Breathe in. Exhale. Oh, good one. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Very good.
Yeah, felt that.
I bet you did.
That
was a good one.
Alright, my Dan. Yeah, then.
Let me cruise over here.
I just need help with that one knee.
Okay.
You'll see. Are you okay, Danny?
Yeah.
I hurt a little bit?
Yeah. Crisscross applesauce. Yeah.
Okay, 1,
Oh, lost a shoe. Almost.
almost perfect.
Huh?
Look at that. Almost
There.
a clean landing.
That was a nice one.
That was pretty good.
Alright.
Very good. Well, you're already all set here, aren't you?
And I've got that.
Alright. Can we come up a little bit? Sure. Yep, that's good.
Oops, sorry.
Relax the way in your head. Breathe in. Exhale.
You're good?
Oh yeah, that's perfect. We got it.
I like the background music.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That's
I know, right?
Thank you.